Hey Yogi Warriors, how's it going? Emily Warrior here. Today I have for you a 5-minute seated yoga sequence. So you can do this on your mat, on the sofa, at your desk, on your bed, wherever you're sat down, you can do this little flow. So come and join me seated wherever you are, and we'll sit nice and tall through the spine. As we take a deep inhale in, we'll take the arms out and up. Bring the palms together in prayer and exhale, hands come down in front of the chest. Beautiful. 2 more times. Inhale, reach the arms out and up. Exhaling, hands come down. Syncing your breath with the movement. Inhale, reach out and up. Exhale, hands come down. Then this time, as we inhale, reach the arms out and up again. As we exhale, twist to your right. The left hand comes to your right knee and the fingertips of the right hand can just come behind you. And we're just simply gazing to the side of the room. We're not looking back behind the shoulder. Keep that gaze to the side. And just some slow, deep breaths here. Relaxing into that nice, juicy twist in the spine. One more breath. On your next inhale, reaching the arms back up overhead. Exhale, twisting to the other side. The right hand comes to the left knee and we gaze to the side of the room. Or we can have the eyes closed here if that feels nice. Sitting tall through that spine, imagining space in between each vertebrae. We can sit and twist a little bit deeper. One more breath. Inhaling, reaching the arms back up overhead. Exhale, hands come down in prayer. Beautiful. We can bring the right hand out to the side. We can have a slight bend in the elbow. And inhale, sweep the left arm up and over for a nice side stretch down your left side. Gazing up underneath the arm. And we're nice and active in this top hand. We've not got a floppy noodle. We're nice and active, as though someone's pulling this arm over to the right. One more breath. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Inhale, sweep the right arm over. Feeling that beautiful stretch. One more breath here, and then we'll flow from side to side with our breath. So on our exhale, we can sweep this right arm down in front, take it back out to the side, plant it to the mat. Inhale, sweep the left arm up and over. Exhale, sweep the left hand down, plant it into the mat. Inhale, reach the right arm up. Exhale, take it back. Inhale, lengthen. Last one, each side. Exhale, sweep it to the left. Inhale, reach the right. Last one, exhale, sweep. Inhale, open. And then exhale, gently sweep that left arm down, come back to your center. And then we'll finish with some seated cat-cows. So just resting the palms on the knees. On your inhale, we'll tilt the pelvis forward. So almost like we're sticking the butt out. The belly draws forwards and the chest and chin lifts up. Roll the shoulders down and tuck the elbows into the ribs. Exhale, tuck that tailbone down, pull the belly in, round the spine vertebrae by vertebrae, and bring the chin to the chest. We can lengthen through the arms and pull the shoulders apart so we get a really nice round in the back. Inhale, tilt the pelvis forwards, roll up the spine vertebrae by vertebrae. Exhale, tuck that tailbone down, pull the belly in, round the spine. Inhale, waving up, lift the chest and chin. Exhale, rounding vertebrae by vertebrae. 2 more. Inhale, waving up. Roll those shoulders down. Exhale, rounding. Last one. Inhale, belly draws forwards, lift the chest and chin. Exhale, rounding. Inhale. We can come back to our neutral seat. And there we have our quick seated yoga stretch today. I hope you guys enjoyed that little flow. If you did, please like the video, maybe save for later, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you next time. Namaste.